Hello, welcome back to the online classes. Students, today we are going to learn degrees of comparison. Okay, adjective and adverb. So, let me tell you what is adjective. Adjective are describing words and adverbs which adds the meaning to the verb. Okay, so there are some rules. Okay, to change positive degree into comparative and into superlative degrees. So here rule number 1, most of the adjectives and few adverbs have comparatives and superlatives ending in er or est. So most of the adjective and few adverbs, okay, they take er or es to form comparative and superlative degree. For example, short, shorter, shortest. So short is positive degree, shorter comparative, shortest is superlative degree. Wise, wiser, wisest. Brave, braver, bravest. Cold, colder, coldest. Cheap, cheaper, cheapest. So these are the adjectives and adverbs which take er and es to form comparative and superlative degrees. So rule number 2, if the words end in one vowel plus one consonant, we double the consonant. Okay, if any words, okay, which end with one vowel plus one consonant, then what we have to do? We have to double the consonant. Okay, here example big, big. Here G is consonant and I is vowel. So here one vowel and one consonant. So what we have to do? We have to double the consonant. So this G will become double, okay, in comparative and in superlative degree. And then we have to add er and est. Okay, so big, bigger, biggest. Next, hot. Here is also there is one vowel and one consonant. O is vowel and T is consonant. So we have to double the consonant T in comparative and superlative degree. Hot, hotter, hottest. Thin, thinner, thinnest. Okay. So our next rule number 3, adjectives of 3 or more syllables have more or most. So the adjective which have 3 or more than 3 syllables, they take more and most in comparative and superlative degree. Here beautiful, when we pronounce, we found there are 3 compound words. Okay, beautiful, beautiful. That means in this word there are 3 syllables. So if any words having 3 or more than 3 syllables, we take more and most in comparative and in superlative degree. Popular, here also there is 3 syllables. So we have here written more popular, most popular. Intelligent, in this also there are 3 syllables. So more intelligent and most intelligent. So our next rule, rule number 4, adjectives of 2 syllables ending in y add er est. The y changes to I before adding er est. Okay, happy. So this adjective having 2 syllables and these words are ending with y. Okay, so what we have to do? We have to add er est in comparative and superlative degree, and we have to remove the y, and in place of y we have to write I in comparative and in superlative degree. So the Y will change into I, okay, and changing Y into I, we have to add ER and EST in comparative and superlative degree. Okay, students, funny, FUNNY, funny. This word is also ending with Y. What we have to do? We have to change the Y into I, and then we have to add ER and EST in comparative and superlative degree. Okay. So our next rule is rule number 5. Adjectives of 2 syllables ending in full, less, ing, ed take more, most. So some adjectives which having 2 syllables and these words are ending in ful, less, ing, ed, they take more or most in comparative and superlative degree. For example, joyful, joyful. Okay, in this word there is 2 syllables. Boring, here also there is 2 syllables. So the adjective which have 2 syllables and the word ends with full, less, ing, ed take more or most in the comparative and superlative degree. Joyful, more joyful, most joyful, boring, more boring, most boring. So our next rule number 6. A few adjectives and adverbs have irregular comparatives and superlatives. Irregular means positive, comparative and superlative degrees have different word. Okay, different word. For example, good. Good is adjective and well is adverb. So both these words, comparative and superlative degrees, are same. So good, better, best. These 3 words are totally different. Okay, that means these are irregular comparative and superlatives. Bad, badly. Bad is adjective, badly is adverb. Worst, worst. Little, less, least. Many, much, more, most. So students, by applying these rules, you can easily form comparative and superlative degrees. Okay. So students, for today's video lesson, only this much. Thank you. Have a nice day.